Hello and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, July 1st, 2025, we're taking a close look at Tesla, or Tesla, incorporating the latest news and a detailed chart analysis. Recent headlines paint a volatile picture, particularly the revived feud between Trump and Elon Musk, which is weighing heavily on the stock. The uncertainty around potential subsidy cuts and their impact on Tesla's bottom line is causing concern among investors. Let's jump into the charts and see how these events are reflected in Tesla's price action. Here's the daily chart for Tesla. Looking at the recent price action, we can see significant volatility. Notice the large green candle forming near July 1st and 2nd, 2024, followed by a substantial red candle a few weeks later near July 11th, 2024. These represent large swings that are likely a reaction to some news event, probably related to subsidies. Looking at early March 2025, we see a large drop in stock price before a rebound happens on April 9, 2025, potentially in response to the robotaxi pilot program announcements. Currently, it looks like we're seeing some consolidation, potentially forming support in the 315 to 320 range. If the price breaks below 315, we could see a further drop down to 300 or even 280, but continued good news and robotaxi progress could lead to it breaking above its recent resistance and moving higher. Now let's move to the hourly chart. This time frame gives us a closer look at intraday price movements. Focusing on June, we observe a lot of chop and sideways movement. This indecision is likely a result of conflicting news cycles. Looking for a breakout of 330 might indicate it's going to trend upwards, but sustained trading below 315 would mean it's still bearish in the short term. Let's check out the 15-minute chart to narrow in even further and gain some better short-term perspective. Currently on the 15-minute chart, it looks like a double bottom is forming in the 316 to 317 range, so it may be poised to go up in the very short term. It also looks like it's been slowly trending downwards for a week, so expect it to act as resistance around 326 to 327 in the short term. To recap, the key levels to watch are 315 as a major support and 330 as key resistance. A break below 315 could signal further downside, potentially testing 300 or 280. A break above 330 would open the door for a rally. Given the news and robotaxi sector potential, I'm cautiously bullish longer term, but recognize Trump's actions can quickly make the stock bearish and drop lower. Keep an eye on news related to subsidies and robotaxi development, since these are the major news factors influencing its trajectory. That's it for today's analysis on Explain the Charts. Be sure to subscribe for more.